Shweta Khandelwal and I am the Principal Attorney at the Law Office of Shweta Khandelwal, where we practice US immigration and nationality law. Today we are going to talk about the popular visa category called the H-1B visa. What is the H-1B visa? The H-1B visa allows a foreign national to work in the US for a US employer in a specialty occupation. The next obvious question is, what is a specialty occupation? A specialty occupation is a position that requires at least a bachelor's degree or its equivalent. Not all bachelor's degree would qualify. The candidate must possess a bachelor's degree that is equivalent to a US bachelor's degree. Essentially, it must be a 4-year bachelor's degree. Sometimes one sees that not all candidates are awarded a 4-year bachelor degree. They may have a 3-year bachelor's degree from a foreign institution. In such cases, it is possible to combine the foreign national's education along with relevant work experience to get the equivalency to a US bachelor's degree. Every 3 years of progressive work experience can be equated to 1 year of missing college education. So for instance, if a candidate has a 3 years bachelor's degree along with 3 years of relevant work experience, it is possible to combine the two to give the candidate the equivalency of a US bachelor's degree. The H-1B visa allows a foreign national to work in the US for a maximum period of 6 years. After that, one must leave the US and re-enter after a gap of at least 1 year if one wishes to resume being on H-1B visa. In certain circumstances, it is possible to extend the H-1B visa in increments of either 1 year or 3 years. This would depend upon if the applicant has a green card or a permanent resident petition that is pending. The stage at which the green card process is pending would determine whether the H-1B can be extended in 1 year or 3-year increments. In the next video, we shall talk about the maximum number of H-1B visas that is available and what can one do if one misses the H-1B bus.